Hey everyone, A&D, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that could completely change your life. The 8 assets that can make you rich. A&D help you achieve financial freedom, so you never have to work again unless you want to. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's more achievable than you think. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. It's about smart, long-term wealth building. We're talking about creating multiple streams of passive income, where your money works for you, not the other way around. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap of the assets that the wealthy use to build and maintain their fortunes. So, grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's unlock the secrets to financial independence together. First up, at number 8, we have high-yield savings accounts and the certificates of deposit, or CDs. Now, you know what you're thinking, these aren't the most exciting investments. You won't see massive, overnight gains, but here's why they're crucial. They are the bedrock of your financial foundation. They offer safety and stability. Think of them as your financial launchpad. Before you can invest in riskier, higher return assets, you need a secure place to park your emergency fund and the short-term savings. High-yield savings accounts offer much better interest rates than traditional ones, allowing your cash to grow, albeit slowly, while staying completely liquid and accessible. A CD locks your money for asset period for an even higher, fixed interest rate. This is where you build your war chest, the capital you later deploy into more powerful assets. It's the first, non-negotiable step on the path to wealth. Don't skip it. Coming in at number 7 are bonds. If stocks are the engine of your investment portfolio, bonds are the brakes and the suspension system. They provide stability and predictable income. When you buy a bond, you're essentially lending money to a government or a corporation. In return, they promise to pay you but the principal amount on a specific date, plus periodic interest payments, known as coupons. This makes them a fantastic source of steady cash flow. While the returns are generally lower than stocks, they are also less volatile. When the stock market is going crazy and dipping, a solid bond portfolio can cushion the blow and keep your net worth from taking a major hit. They are an essential part of a diversified strategy, especially as you get closer to your financial freedom date. Bonds help you preserve the wealth you've worked so hard to build. Now let's talk about asset number 6, intellectual property. This is where your creativity can literally pay you for years to come. Intellectual property, or IP, is a creation of the mind. This could be a book you write, a song you compose, a piece of software you code, a unique brand you build, or even a patent for an invention. Once created, the IP can generate passive income indefinitely. Think about it. An author earns royalties every time their book is sold. A musician earns money every time their song is streamed. The beauty of it is the concept of create once, sell forever. It requires a significant upfront investment of time, skill, and creativity, but the long-term payoff can be astronomical. In today's digital age, it's easier than ever to create and monetize your own intellectual property. Start thinking about what unique knowledge or talent you have that you can package into a digital asset. At number 5, we have one of the most powerful wealth-building tools ever created, the stock market. Specifically, we're talking about dividend-paying stocks and the index funds. Investing in the stock market means you own a small piece of some of the world's biggest and the most successful companies. Dividend stocks are shares in companies that distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders. This provides you with a regular, passive income stream that tends to grow over time as companies increase their dividends. On the other hand, low-cost index funds, which track major market indexes like the S&P 500, offer instant diversification. You're not betting on a single company but on the growth of the entire economy. Over the long term, the stock market has consistently delivered powerful returns. By reinvesting your dividends and letting compound interest work its magic, your investment can grow exponentially. It's not about timing the market, it's about timing the market. Cracking our top 4 is an asset that has created more millionaires than almost any other. Real estate. We're not just talking about the house you live in. We're talking about income-producing properties. This could be a residential property rent out to a family, a multi-unit apartment building, a commercial space you lease to a business, or even a vacation rental. Real estate offers a powerful 4-way return. First, you get cash flow from the monthly rent after covering your mortgage and the expenses. Second, you benefit from appreciation as the property value increases over time. Third, your tenants are essentially paying down your mortgage for you, building your equity. And fourth, there are significant tax advantages available to real estate investors. It does require more capital and management than stocks, but the control you have and the potential for leverage returns make it an incredible asset for building serious wealth and generating predictable passive income. At number 3, we leveling up with a truly passive A&D scalable asset. Owning a business that runs without you. This is the ultimate goal for any entrepreneur. It's not about creating a job for yourself where you're the key employee. It's about building systems, processes, A&D a strong team that can manage the day-to-day operations, allowing the business to generate profits whether you're at your desk or on a beach. This could be an e-commerce store with automated fulfillment, a software as a service company, a franchise, or any business where you successfully removed yourself from the core functions. This transition from being a business operator to a business owner is the key that unlocks true time A&D financial freedom. It provides massive cash flow and it can be sold later for a huge capital gain. It's challenging, for sure, but the reward is a money-making machine that fuels your lifestyle. Now for our runner-up. Asset number 2. A high-value personal brand A&D audience. In the 21st street century, attention is the new currency. Building a personal brand means establishing yourself as a trusted authority in a specific niche. You create valuable content video, podcasts, articles, social media posts and build a loyal community that knows, likes, and trusts you. Once you have this audience, the monetization possibilities are almost endless. You can generate income through advertising, affiliate marketing, where you recommend products you love, selling your own digital products like courses and books, offering consulting or coaching services, and securing lucrative brand partnerships. Your personal brand is a unique asset that you own completely. It can't be easily copied, and it follows you wherever you go. It's the ultimate platform for creating multiple income streams and building a business around your passion. And finally, the number one asset that makes people rich and allows them to never work again is your own mind, your knowledge, your skills, your mindset. This might sound cliche, but it's the absolute truth. Every other asset on this list is acquired and managed through the power of your mind. Your financial education is what allows you to identify good investments and avoid bad ones. Your skills are what allow you to create intellectual property or build a business. Your mindset, your discipline, your resilience, your long-term perspective is what keeps you going when things get tough. The wealthy invest more in themselves than anything else. They are constantly learning, reading, and acquiring new skills. This is the ultimate asset because no one can ever take it away from you, and it has an unlimited potential for growth. The return on investment in yourself is infinite. So you have the 8 core assets that are your ticket to financial freedom. From the stability of savings accounts and the bonds to the growth engine of stocks and the real estate, and finally to the scalable power of business, personal brand, and your knowledge. The key is diversification. You don't need to be an expert in all of them, but by strategically building a portfolio across several of these categories, you create a resilient and powerful wealth-generating machine. Start small, stay consistent, and never stop learning. Your journey to never work again starts today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this incredibly valuable. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content on building wealth and achieving financial independence. Let me know in the comments which asset you're most excited to start building. Until next time, keep investing in yourself.